Good morning all of you and welcome to English class. In the previous class, we have been learning the lesson Great Heroes, and this lesson, half of the lesson we learned on that day and the remaining lesson today we are going to learn. So let's recap what we learned in the previous class. In the previous class we learned very briefly about Yuri Gagarin, who was considered to be the one of the first astronomer. So let's see once again about him. We have read many stories about people who have performed great feats on the earth, but Yuri Gagarin was the first person to travel in space. He traveled around the earth on 12th April 1961. The spaceship in which he traveled around the Earth was named Vostok. So Yuri Gagarin, he traveled around the Earth, which means he traveled in the space ship on 12th April in the year 1961. The spaceship by which he traveled was named as Vostok 1. Vostok 1. This is the spaceship by which Yuri Gagarin was traveled, and he was born in Russia in the year 1934, and his father was a farmer. Gagarin's father was a farmer. He went to a flying school in 1955. He started his schooling in a school called Flying School. The name of the school is important here, Flying School. After a year, he started piloting jets. After 1 year, which means he didn't start his education in flying school, but his advanced studies or higher studies he started studying in flying school in the year 1955, and a year later he started piloting jets, working as a pilot. He started after a year, which means in the year 1956. In 1960, he started training as a cosmonaut. In the year 1960, he started as a cosmonaut. So years are very important here. 1934 is 1 year mentioned, and in the year 1955, another incident happened in the year 1960. He started his 1934. This was the year in which he was born. He was born in the year 1934. In the year 1955, he joined in flying school. Flying school. To become a pilot. In the year 1956, he started piloting jets. In the year 1960, he started getting training to become cosmonaut. Cosmonaut means astronaut. Let's move on to another paragraph. From here onwards, we have to see in today's lesson, which means the remaining paragraphs which you see on page number 32, we have completed in the previous class. In April 1961, he proved to the world that men and women can travel in space. Yuri Gagarin died in an air crash. After his death, the towns of his birth was named Gagarin in his memory. So that is about Yuri Gagarin. So in the year 1961, in the month of April, he proved to the world that men and women can travel in the space, which means in the year 1961 he landed on the moon, which means he traveled in the space, and that's where in that year he proved that both men and women can travel in the space. And finally Yuri Gagarin, he died in an air crash, in an accident, and after his death, the town in which he was born was named as Gagarin. What was the town he was born? He was born in a town that town name is not mentioned in the lesson, but after the birth, after the death of him, being born in that town or being born in that village, he brought a lot of name and fame, and he became very successful person. Therefore, in the memory of him, they named that village or that town with Gagarin. The village or the town got the name Gagarin. Next, that is about in the lesson the great heroes. So far we learned about one person, that is Yuri Gagarin, how he started his career, how he became successful, and how he died. All those things we have seen. And here we are going to learn about another famous personality or another great hero whose name is Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay. It is another person. So these are the two people about whom this lesson is given. See that? Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary were the first two people to reach the summit of the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, another person name is also mentioned, Edmund Hillary. These two are the first people to reach the top of the mountain of Mount Everest, which is considered as one of the highest mountains in the world. What is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. So these two are the first people to reach the top of Mount Everest. Tenzing Norgay was born in 1914 in Nepal. He was a porter. He worked as a porter on an expedition to Mount Everest in 1935. He became a head porter in 1947. On 29 May 1953, he, along with Edmund Hillary, climbed the Mount Everest. Good. See the summary of this paragraph. Tenzing Norgay was born in the year 1914. 1914, in this year, he was born in Nepal. He was a porter. Porter means a man who is employed to carry the luggage. Porter, one who carries luggage. One who carries luggage is called as porter. When you get down at bus stop or railway station, there are some people employed. If you pay them some amount, they will take your luggage or they carry your luggage from one place to another place. They are called as porters. So initially Tenzing Norgay worked as a porter in the region of Himalayas, especially in the region of Himalayas, especially in a place near to the Mount Everest, where the people were coming and who were trying to climb the Mount Everest. He worked as a porter on an expedition to Mount Everest in 1935. He carried the luggage of a mountaineer for the first time in the year 1935, working as a porter. He became a head porter in 1947. Head porter in the sense he became one of the important porters, which it means not all the porters can go to the Mount Everest. Only few people who have already reached Mount Everest in the previous times, they can only work as porters in carrying the luggage of mountaineers in that region. So which means he became head porter, he became a famous porter in the year 1947. On 29th May 1953, he along with Edmund Hillary climbed the Mount Everest. So in the year, this date is very important. 29th May 1953, along with Edmund Hillary. Edmund Hillary was the mountaineer. Along with this mountaineer, Tenzing Norgay reached the Mount Everest along with Edmund Hillary. They may ask in examination, who was the mountaineer along with Tenzing Norgay reached Mount Everest? What would be your answer? Edmund Hillary. Edmund Hillary is a mountaineer, whereas Tenzing Norgay is he a mountaineer or porter? Porter. Okay, let's move on to another paragraph. Edmund Hillary was born in 1919. He was a mountaineer. After scaling Mount Everest along with Tenzing Norgay in 1953, he led many expeditions to the Himalayas. In 2003, the 5th anniversary of scaling the Mount Everest was celebrated. So, by climbing Mount Everest along with Tenzing Norgay, Edmund Hillary, he climbed Mount Everest along with Tenzing Norgay in the year 1953, and he was actually, Edmund Hillary was born in the year 1919, and he was basically a mountaineer who took the profession of climbing mountain. So, after scaling Mount Everest along with Tenzing Norgay in 1953, he led many expeditions to the Himalayas. After climbing Mount Everest along with Tenzing Norgay, thereafter from the year 1953, number of times he made many expeditions. Many expeditions. Expedition means journey with a particular purpose. Journey, expedition, journey with a particular purpose. Journey with a particular purpose is called as expedition. What was the expedition that Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary made? Climbing the mountain. That is also a journey. They have particular purpose, that reaching the top of the mountain. So, in the year 1953, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, they climbed Mount Everest. Thereafter, many times Edmund Hillary climbed Mount Everest, and he also tried to climb another mountains which were there in Himalayan region. In the year 2003, the 5th anniversary of scaling Mount Everest was celebrated, which means by the year 2003, nearly 5 times Tenzing Norgay climbed Mount Everest. The 5th anniversary was celebrated in the year 2003. So, this is the lesson about the great heroes. In this lesson, we learned the great talented people like Tenzing Norgay, Edmund Hillary, and another great scientist or astronaut Yuri Gagarin. So, we should also learn from them, get inspiration from them, and try to achieve many great things in our lives. Thank you.